Hello, SOR PE scholars. This is Monster Beck, and for week 27, I just want you guys to focus on what we kind of are doing on campus for PE for 1 hour. So what we do is Monday we kind of do like life fitness activities. Like we'll play badminton, maybe we'll play beanbags or cornhole. Just activities that you can do for lifelong fitness. Bowling would be one. Horseshoes. Something pretty basic, laid back, easy. Golf. Um, we're not gonna golf at school though, but Tuesday is open gym, so the scholars can do, whatever activity they want to do in the gym. Wednesday, you guys are all on your own. Thursday is kind of like the fitness day, where I put them through like a circuit, and Friday is big base day, so just a recreational activity. So if you guys, I know if you distance learners, some of you work out or lift weights every day, some of you have volleyball every day or basketball, soccer practice. Just try to get a little more variety so you're not doing the same thing. So you're not doing like yoga 4 or 5 days a week or volleyball 4 or 5 days a week. Sprinkle in some other stuff, add a little variety, keep everything a little bit spicy, I guess. But hope you guys have a good week. If you guys have any questions at all, just email me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But I hope you guys are having a good weekend. I hope you have a good rest of your Sunday afternoon or morning. It's actually morning right now. But I'll be talking to you guys soon. Have a good one, scholars. Bye.